Welcome to Lumacasa Studio, where every home tells a story. Today, step inside a modern minimalist retreat where light, space, and simplicity come together to create pure comfort. This isn't just a beautiful house. It's a place that invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and rediscover the joy of everyday living. Every corner has been thoughtfully designed to remind us that true luxury is found in peace, warmth, and timeless simplicity. The journey begins with clean architectural lines framed by soft landscaping that feels both intentional and effortless. Warm wood accents balance crisp white walls, while oversized windows quietly promise the beauty waiting inside. A simple stone pathway slows your pace, reminding us that first impressions aren't about excess. Layering natural materials with restrained colors creates timeless curb appeal that remains elegant through every season. As the front door opens, sunlight flows freely across the connected living room, dining area, and kitchen without interruption. The absence of unnecessary walls allows every conversation, every laugh, and every quiet moment to feel shared. Neutral furnishings paired with soft textures add warmth without clutter. Choosing fewer, high-quality pieces allows natural light to become one of your home's most beautiful design elements. The kitchen blends seamlessly into the living space, becoming more than a place to cook. It becomes where everyday memories naturally unfold. Matte cabinetry, light stone countertops, and floating shelves create visual calm while maintaining practical function. Hidden storage keeps surfaces clear, proving that organization isn't simply about tidiness. It's about giving your mind room to relax while your home quietly supports daily life. Beyond the shared spaces, the bedroom welcomes you with an atmosphere of complete serenity. Soft linen fabrics, warm oak furniture, and gentle ambient lighting transform simplicity into comfort. Large windows frame peaceful outdoor views, allowing changing daylight to become part of the room's design. Limiting decorative elements while introducing layered textiles creates a bedroom that feels luxurious without ever feeling overwhelming. The living area extends naturally onto a covered terrace where comfortable seating overlooks a tranquil garden. Sliding glass doors erase the boundary between indoors and outdoors, making fresh air and natural scenery part of everyday living. Adding native plants, soft outdoor lighting, and weather-friendly materials creates an inviting extension of the home that remains beautiful from morning coffee to peaceful evenings beneath the stars. Perhaps the true beauty of modern minimalism isn't found in perfectly styled furniture or flawless architecture. It's found in how thoughtfully designed spaces gently improve the way we live, rest, and connect with the people we love. If this home inspired you to imagine your own peaceful retreat, let it remind you that comfort often begins with simplicity. Subscribe to Lumacasa Studio for more beautiful home design inspiration where every space tells a story worth coming home to.